Yes, where are you? Come. Your saver is out. I keep on telling you. If you contact me and your problem didn't solve, don't believe anybody in the world. Don't believe that there is spiritualist. If you contact me, I Chief Napolo, and you didn't get what you want, never believe in spiritual thing. You see all this, what we call money. What you call money. If you contact me, you are going to be blessed. See, look, this is Ghana cities. See, this is Ghana cities. How we are seeing it. That's what we call. And this is Ghana cities. Those who are in Nigeria, this is your country now. So contact me right now, or contact me and shouldn't complain later, because nowadays people are out to fraud people. So if you are not careful, they will use pictures to fraud you. And I will never lie to you. Ages doesn't matter. What is matter is the spirit. Ages doesn't matter. The only thing which matters is the spirit. If the God gives something to you, nobody can stop it. If your star is up, no one can stop your shine. Look at it. Contact me right now. I'm out to help you. The great one is out to help you. Every kind of money you need, I'll do it. This is Naira, and this is Ghana, the pounds and euros. How we are seeing it. If not me, nobody can do it.